Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Pinterest. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser. And after that, look out for the Pinterest app and open your Pinterest. And make sure you log into your Pinterest if you have not already. So what you have to do is go to the new tab. In order to go to dark mode, you have to add extensions of Chrome. So what you have to do is dark mode Chrome. Search it in your Google Chrome and select this option. So what you have to do is simply click on Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. And here we can see, let's add it to the Chrome. So go back to your Pinterest again and click in this icon. That's extensions icon and select dark mode over here. And click on the dark mode. Refresh your page. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.